Now I comb my hair. That little shampoo, because the shampoo is almost no more. Oh my god. And then I will get my Rexona for my armpit will be fresh.
Do you have to wear something for your armpits?
No, I am like not smelly armpit, but if I do work, like the aircon will not on. Yeah, and it's mix my armpit
Sweat?
wet. Yeah, it's little smell like I don't understand. So I need to put Rexona in my armpit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like this.